In 1946, a radar engineer named Percy Spencer stood in front of a magnetron, a device that generates microwaves for radar systems. Suddenly, he felt something strange in his pocket. A chocolate bar had melted into a gooey mess. This wasn't a kitchen experiment. Spencer worked for Raytheon, a defense contractor, and the magnetron was a crucial piece of military technology used in radar during World War II. Intrigued by the melted chocolate, Spencer didn't just shrug it off. He placed some popcorn kernels near the magnetron and watched them pop. Microwave cooking was born, almost by accident. But Spencer's discovery wasn't the first time someone noticed the heating effect of microwaves. Earlier in the 1930s, other researchers had observed similar phenomena, but no one had connected it to a practical cooking appliance. Raytheon quickly filed a patent for the Radarange, a bulky, expensive machine that stood 6 feet tall and weighed over 700 pounds. It was not meant for homes. It was sold to restaurants, airlines, and ships. The first Radarange cost between $2,000 and $3,000, which is over $20,000 today. Only a few dozen were sold in the first years, mostly to commercial kitchens and military vessels. Despite the novelty, the general public was suspicious. Many people worried that microwaves might be dangerous, and the idea of cooking with invisible rays felt unsettling. It was too close to radiation fears from the atomic age. Early microwave ovens also produced uneven results, leaving cold spots in food. Chefs and home cooks complained about rubbery meat and half-cooked meals, which didn't help win over skeptics. The high voltage and expensive vacuum tubes made production costly, and the magnetron itself was a bottleneck. Each unit required precision manufacturing, driving prices far beyond what an average family could afford. So for more than a decade, the microwave remained a niche product. It was a curiosity, a futuristic gimmick that few could justify purchasing, even with flashy ads showing it defrosting frozen food in minutes. The turning point came in the 1960s, when companies like Sharp and Amana began developing smaller, cheaper magnetrons. They used new materials and designs that cut costs dramatically. In 1967, Amana introduced the first countertop microwave oven, the Radarange model AR360. It cost around $500, still expensive, but a fraction of the original price and small enough for a kitchen counter. This model was a breakthrough, but it still required a dedicated electrical circuit and a technician to install it. The true mass-market moment came a few years later when prices fell further. By the mid-1970s, microwave ovens were priced under $400, and sales began to soar. The convenience of reheating leftovers or defrosting a steak in minutes proved irresistible, even to those who once feared the technology. The public's suspicion gradually faded as more people used the ovens safely. Food manufacturers even began creating microwavable packaging and ready-made meals, reinforcing the appliance's place in daily life. Interestingly, the same technology that cooked food also led to improvements in radar, medical diathermy, and even microwave communication. The magnetron's dual life is a testament to how accidents can shape science. By the 1980s, microwave ovens were in over half of American homes, and by the 1990s, they were nearly universal. The once feared Radarange had become a standard kitchen countertop fixture. Today, microwave ovens are so common that we rarely think about their history. They're just a fixture, like the stove or fridge, a silent helper that heats coffee and defrosts chicken without a second thought. But the story of the microwave is more than a quirky invention. It's a reminder that major breakthroughs often come from unexpected places, and that public acceptance can lag years behind a great discovery. From a melted chocolate bar to a global kitchen essential, the microwave's journey was marked by technical hurdles, economic barriers, and deep-seated fear. It took 2 decades of engineering and marketing to overcome. So next time you press that timer, remember, you're using a technology that emerged from wartime radar research, not from a chef's dream. It's a slice of accidental genius that changed how we eat. In the end, the microwave oven wasn't invented to speed up cooking. It was discovered by someone who happened to stand in the right place at the right time. And that serendipity turned a defense component into a kitchen icon. Subscribe for more stories like this.